Welcome to all my people in the diaspora and across the world, all my Caribbean family. Bless upon yourself. This is another small news bulletin, a very sad one too, from Life is a Mission newsroom. People, trust me, I don't know what to say. But just before me go into it, I'm just asking you please to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And please to watch the ads. That's how you support the channel and help the channel to grow. Alright? And remember the cash app pin in the comment section. $ Life is a Mission TV. The young entrepreneur college student. Link of our YouTube channel is also in my comment section pin. Life with Gabby and Chevy. Give her a subscription. And as you know, just continue to support both of my channels, People Mind Entertainment and Life is a Mission TV. People, I promise you people, in a video that I released just before this one, that I want to show you, how silly sometimes some of these guys can give away the 3 points. Very silly, because of ignorance. They've lost their mind. And in losing their mind, they put them life on the line. And I did not try to upload the video with the clippings in the video that I released just before this one, because I didn't want to have a problem with YouTube, and I didn't want to get that swearing in clippings across. And at the time I couldn't bother with the whole heap of work and thing to edit that video, so I go ahead and do it without it. So I said I'm going to try it in this one. So if it works, you will see it. I'm going to take the time to edit it out and blur out what to blur out. But in this video, what caused me to do this video now is that, I see on the news where a quadruple why people me I tell them, I never know. Me I talk with water in my eye, people. This remind me actually like the Clarendon thing with it go on here and I go with that family. Me I talk. Like, I want to break down people. But we have to strong. I could just stand up and be strong. So where they analyze these set of people, which not even set of people, because may I tell you, kids, that's what grieved me. Kids were involved. 4-year-old and 13-year-old kids. Were involved into this unalive. And this is why I bring these things to you. Most of you people who is living in the diaspora, who don't see much of the local news and stuff like that, and people in the Caribbean who try to keep in touch with the local news of Jamaica and stuff like that. Sometime last week there was, I think it was like Friday, Saturday, there was a before their raid by the security forces in a certain section of Central Village, where I think they found 3 weapons, because in that area there's always a little fuel going on, a gang fuel going on there and stuff like that. And the police find some weapons and stuff like that. well, you know, fingers is going to point that, okay, the weapon that has been found have something to do with this small family that they unalive. Allegedly, people have been saying it, and fingers is going to point that way. But I'm saying, these guys are cowards. And when I say coward, they are cowards. Because for you, if this woman, if it's our man, our brother, father, baby father involved in a phone thing, why don't go at him instead of the female and her family? Why not? Why you have to go to the lady and her family? And if she is the one who is involved, why never just wait for she till you see her? You understand? And take it to her. I'm not going to condole that you should do it. But if so be the case and she you want, come on. Why never spare the kids? What kind of heart do you have? Iron heart do you have? You don't have a family, you don't have a pitney, although someone careless don't have a pitney for you. But you don't have family, you don't have siblings and all these things, you don't think. But yes, if you see us, your siblings or some of your family in a little regular tussling with another person or two pitney, and one of your little small siblings in a tussling, just like how a little tussling go on now in school down a country, and one of the man, the little boy go away for people, them come on the compound allegedly with firearm. You understand? After two schoolers. We know most of these schoolers are big people now, you know, not by age, but you know, how them hack and behave. And all because of this. Because them know them have brother, cousin, uncle and friend can run go for we have pie. So as any little thing them want, them are big people who want bad up teacher and do all kind of things at school. They won't have on the uniform. You understand? People, the man them firebomb the place and leave the people them to succumb. You know, preliminary account is that the little girl was found in the bathroom. She was the last one that found, the 13-year-old, because when she see the place was on fire and she can't get out, she run to the bathroom, turn the pipe on just to cool herself down. What I say? Just to cool herself down. That couldn't help, because you know that's fire. You understand me, some people? Why my people, as I say, I don't know what kind of art them man you have. Then I don't think it's same time, or I don't quite remember if it's same time or it's at the following day. Them a go about them business. It seems to be because based on this gentleman family member, she said this man him not fast in a people business. The only thing that when them a walk through him yard, him tell them say boy watch out, him not in a nothing and where him not want them a walk through him yard. The lady described that a set of the man them when would I tell that kind of know him because them know say he's a man always drunk and things. So them man they kind of look past it. But it's like man from other side now, I go through the yard, him say the same thing. Basically, this is what the woman assumed, she's his family, and probably I saw them deal with him because he was found round at the back of Feme house. You understand? There was another lady who was pepper up also, but I think they say she, you know, survived the ordeal. I don't know what happened to these man, these boys, because they are not man. Trust me. If you can deal with kids, so no care what kind of desert thing me I deal with, I involve in it. It couldn't drive me or get me to do this to no kids. And this is why, despite some man say back in the 80s and them thing that was very dangerous, as them said, 80 was one of the surropists ever in a Jamaica in the 80s. The most syrup run. the most people get unalive. At least in a them time there, a big man you have to say have a deal with the thing. And then probably true the thing did more govern, because you know if you want a hammer, a John you have to go to for the hammer. And if you want a spanner, you have to go to Tony. So the thing did more govern probably them time there. But now that the thing loose where everybody have hammer, everybody have spanner. You understand? Them now have to take no chat, them now have to give no chat. Them, you know? Them just do what them have to do and what them want to do. You understand, people? But me I telling the people, the thing not look good. We need to try to do our best to weed out them type of money and not wait till it reach your doorstep. But at the same time, the same security forces cannot be trusted. When I say the same security force cannot be trusted, my people, because they're calling out and wanted you to give information. And as soon as you give the information to them, less than 24 hours, you understand, you pay the consequence. What me say? Less than 24 hours, you pay the consequence of giving that information. And this is why the people them see and blind and hear and deaf. Because the law enforcement people them who need information to help to solve these issues are people who you cannot be trust. Anyway, people, let's see how it work out. If I can get the video to show you people or what, or if I can't show it, you know, if you just understand and probably go to the well, I don't know if TVJ did even have it on one of the news station. You understand? Because I know these things are people video them something here on a certain level. So stay tuned. Let's see what I go on. Some people, but I don't know. Just go into the comment section and leave a comment. Remember, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, hit the subscription button, like, share, you know, and as we say, subscribe to the channel. Remember to press your post notification bell, so as a video drop, you will be notified. People, just let me know on the thing. You understand? But boy, may I tell you, them no hard people here. Boy, I need to weed out. Them need for weed out, man. 4-year-old and 13-year-old. No matter what, if his mother even involved in whatsoever they might think. Him father, him uncle, him brother, him no know nothing in a life what go on. Or the little girl. Because it's not like them as the parents or guardians are going to sit down and tell him, say, you know, say this, me I go do this and me I go do that. So they are so innocent. So innocent. And them take them out like that, me I tell you people. It pain me heart, me I tell you. It grieve me. And me say grieve me, I mean it grieve me. When me I watch the news and see it. People, bless upon yourself, you know. You understand? Bless upon yourself. Bless upon yourself. As I said, if the video is not able, well, you're not going to see the video with the takeout, but I'm trying to give you the video with the, you know, this brave guy trying to fight off almost 5 police officers with high-powered weapon, you know. And not just one weapon, 2 weapons. Each one of them have 2 weapons. You understand? I don't know. I see a car like a Mark X park up in the road, and one of the female police have one of those electronic ticketing system across her when she had tried to restrain him and calm him down. She was the only one where it's like the man did take a little talk from. Because when she hold him kind of calm down. You understand? So I don't know if it was a traffic violation and get pulled over for how it started. I don't know, because as I say, most time when you see these things, you know, see it from the start when you see the videos to know, say, boy, you can determine say this happened or that happened. So just stay tuned with people and bless upon yourself. Alright?